Hello student, today we are going to learn Matlab tutorial on matrix part 3. Here we learn mainly value of determinant, find value of determinant, inverse of a matrix, product of a matrix with its inverse, concatenating matrix, etc. First, A array equal to within third bracket 2 space 4 space 6 semicolon 1 space 3 space 5 space semicolon 1 space 3 space 9 third bracket end semicolon enter. A matrix equal to A enter. This is 3 into 3 matrix. First column element 2 1 1, second column element 4 3 3, third column element 6 5 9. Now we find the value of determinant. Det within first bracket A first bracket end enter. Value of determinant is 8. Okay. CLC enter. Clear the screen. A matrix equal to A enter. This is A matrix. Now B equal to INV within first bracket A matrix. This is the inverse of a matrix enter. This is the inverse value of the matrix. Okay. A equal to A matrix equal to, this is the A matrix. B matrix equal to inverse of the A matrix. Okay. Now A into asterisk B, product of a matrix with its inverse enter. Okay. It is clear, my student? CLC, clear the screen enter. Now A equal to A matrix equal to within third bracket 8 space 19 semicolon 7 space 2 third bracket, this is the third bracket. Now enter. A equal to 2 into 2 matrix, value of elements of column 8, 7, first column, element of second column 19 and 2. Now B matrix equal to, within third bracket 1 space 64 semicolon 4 space 5 semicolon 3 space 78 first bracket, a third bracket end, enter. This is the B matrix, number of row 3, number of column 2. Okay. Now C equal to, within third bracket A semicolon B third bracket end. This is the concatenating matrix, enter. C equal to, here adding value of elements of A matrix 8, 7, 8, 7, 19, 2, 19, 2 and B 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 6, 64, 5, 78, 64, 5, 78. This is the concatenating matrix. Okay, it is clear, my student. Now CLC, clear the screen. A equal to, within third bracket 0 colon 2 colon 10 third bracket end, enter. A matrix, value of element, this is only row matrix, value of elements 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, first element 0, increment 2, last element 10. Okay. B equal to, B matrix equal to, within third bracket 1 colon 2 colon 11 third bracket end, enter. Here B matrix is the row matrix, first element 1, increment 2, last element 11. Value of row matrix B, element, first element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now AB matrix equal to, within third bracket A semicolon B, third bracket, end, enter. This is the concatenating matrix, okay, means AB matrix. First, this is the value of A matrix element, this is the value of B matrix element, this is the value of B matrix element. It is clear, my student? CLC, clear the screen. Now X equal to X matrix equal to, within third bracket 1 colon 0.5 colon 4, third bracket, end, enter. This is the value of row matrix. First element 1, increment 0.5, last value 4. Now Y equal to SQRT, within bracket, first bracket, X dot asterisk cos, within third bracket, first bracket, X semicolon, enter. X is an array variable. Here Y equal to value of Y, Y enter equal to, this is the value of Y array, okay. It is clear, my student? Thank you.